Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time watching this video, please kindly press the subscribe button and hit notification for all notifications so that whenever I drop a new video, you get notified. Don't forget that my name is Obi Godson. In this particular video today, I want to teach you how to reset your controller. As you can see, in this place is my controller. This is DDJ. This is DDJ SX. Okay, it's Piona. Look at it very closer. It's Piona, and in this Piona, some of functioning are not functioning well. Okay, some, for example, my load key is not loading fastly. So I want to show you how to reset it. Then immediately you load key and it's gonna take it. Okay, as you can see, once you touch here, there's supposed to be a light, but it's not. Everything is not functioning very well. But this is very loaded because there is a song. I have already loaded music here, so we're gonna change and reset this particular thing. Hit the bell and subscribe right now for more videos. If you got any question, just drop a comment down there while we are doing it. So before we go ahead and reset this controller, first thing you need to do is to remove your USB from your system. Okay, remove the USB system, then turn it off. Make sure that the back is totally empty so that you remove the speaker. Okay, remove the speaker. Okay, remove it and you off the speaker. Okay, remove the wire from the speaker, then you keep it very well for yourself. Okay, you make sure that you don't have any connection at the back, that everything is disconnected. So this controller is off. Okay, so come closer. At this particular place, you see this is shift, and this is your desk. This is 4 channel. So I have desk 1 and desk 3, desk 2 and desk 4. Okay, so right here we're gonna reset the system to become new. Okay, so press the shift key and press 1 at the same time, then you press on. Okay, once you press it, you press on at the same time, you on it, then you wait. Okay, you can see, then you wait. Okay, then you leave it, then go in and check if everything here is working perfectly. Control it if there's anything that is not working. Okay, you can see it's working, right? You make sure that everything is working. Okay, so second again, for you to do, make sure that the volume is there. Volume, everything is okay, right? Okay, then second step, after you done checking everything is working perfectly, okay, after you done setting everything, then the next thing you should do is as well press, okay, the signal. Okay, press 2 of them together. It's gonna show you red and soon it's gonna stop. Okay, so the system now is properly reset. Okay, everything is now working. Okay, everything is working. Then you turn it off. Okay, then you now on it again. Now on it, and you can see there you can now connect your drive. Okay, your USB. You can connect. Okay, then you connect your speaker. Okay, on your speaker. Okay, then you check. Yes. So as you can see right now, so you got to check it. Okay, you see. Okay, it's working. Okay, it's working, right? It's working, right? So let me load the other side of song. Let me load this. So as you can see, it's taking it instantly without wasting more time. Okay, so you can see it's taking it. It's already taking it. Okay. So guys, this is how to reset your DDJ SX1, SX2, SX3. Okay, these are methods that you can use to reset your DJ, and it will be very, very easier for you to use. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys on my next video properly. For you guys that are saying that your scratch is having problems and everything here is not working, functioning well, your scratch, you can't scratch it very, very well. This is the method that you need to do to clean up your controller. So bye for now, and see you guys next time. Don't forget to press subscribe, leave a comment, like my video, and always appreciate. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye bye.